Okay, so I'm seeing we have 2D, but now I'm seeing 3D down here. So I want to play with that a little bit. Is it very different to 2D? Like, does it have more volume to it? What are the basics when we're exploring the 3D option?
Okay, that's a great question. So let's talk about that. Similar to the 2D text, no, the 3D text has some options when you add it to your hierarchy. So let's do that. You'll notice
Hmm.
similar options to 2D text, block, enriched block, and scroll text. To
Hmm.
keep consistent, let's just choose the block text, and you'll see immediately a
Oh
difference
yeah, it's
between how the
different.
2D and 3D text are rendered. This is actually being extruded to have a volume compared to before. But,
What does extruded mean? Sorry to sound like I've
oh,
never picked up
okay.
a dictionary.
So extruding is like kind of like a modeling term for taking like a flat object and it's sort of like stretching it out.
Ah,
So
okay,
think
okay.
of like your Play-Doh playset from when you were a child and you'd put the
And then like
Play-Doh in
pulling
and
it.
you'd squish it out. That's an
Yeah.
extrusion process happening. It's just done
Okay.
yes, a lot
Okay.
less
Good
fun.
word to know for this program. Got it.
Yeah, it's a term used across like all 3D modeling softwares
Ah, okay. Okay.
similarly.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
extrude, the way it's used in our software is the same as its context that's used in like Blender or Maya, etc.
All right. Okay.
So once you've added your 3D block text here, you've noticed that it adds two content nodes to our hierarchy here.
Hmm.
A block text provider, which may look very similar to the 2D text provider because it's the exact same node. And then
Right.
the 3D text node, this is what's actually doing the rendering. So if
Right.
we were to click on the style drop down here, this
Hmm.
is what allows us to actually make some changes to how this block text is being rendered.
Okay.
So it's set to an extrusion profile right now, and we can
I see
set
there.
how detailed we want that mesh to be. So if you select these higher values, it's going to subdivide the little triangles that make up your text by more and more. So setting this
Hmm.
to a higher setting is going to make more triangles. So if you have a really long string of text and you had very high selected, you're going to be generating a lot of triangles. So that's just something important to keep in mind if you're doing 3D text and you run into performance issues.
Okay.
Extrusion depth. This is the number that you would change if you want to make this
More
extend further.
volume.
So if I click OK and
Okay.
save it, you'll see now that this block
Yeah.
text actually has more depth to it because we've increased that
Okay.
property for the extrusion number. And then similarly, we can bevel 3D text. So if we choose bevel as our option, it's similar to extrude, but it doesn't have those rounded edges. And
Uh-huh.
similar to the extrude